Hello students, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Ravindra Pradip, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Economics. Today's lecture we have for SY BCom Semester 4 Market Failure. Students, in the last lecture we had learned the concept of Hugh Dalton's principle of maximum social advantage. We are continuing the same topic for today's session, that what is the meaning of market failure. So now, without wasting a time, let's begin. In this particular topic, we have to see what is the meaning of market failure, the definition, and why sometimes market get failed. To understand the concept of market failure, let us first understand what is the meaning of market. Market, commonly or layman says that when firms or an individual are in touch with each other in order to buy and sell some goods or services against money, correct, is called as market. According to N. George Mankiw, he says that sellers aim at maximizing their profit and buyers attempt to maximize their total utility or satisfaction in an ideal market. But sometimes market also get failed. We already studied in the studies of economics exception. Wherever we study assumptions, exceptions will be there. Market failure is also one of the major exception for our studies. Now, what is the meaning of market failure? It is judged to be less good than best possible performance. Sometimes it happens into the market that people or an individual or buyers expect too high expectations from sellers and their expectations get failed, or sometimes sellers themselves get failed to satisfy buyers' need. Product demanded by consumers does not equate the quantity supplied by suppliers. It is often happening. It occurs when resources are misallocated or allocated inefficiently. In economics, we always studies that there should be have rational use of resources, but perhaps we use resources sometimes inefficiently, or resources get not equally allocated. Now let us understand which are the causes of market failure. The very first cause of market failure is public goods. Public goods are those goods which are consumed by everyone, regardless of whether they have paid for the good. Example like street lighting, national defense, police service, public health, or etc. People have not paid the taxes, but they are utilizing complete services given by the government, called as public goods. That time, government does not see whether people have paid the taxes to the government or not. The goods which are by default they are making for entire public, for entire nation. Non-rivalry and non-excludability comes under this particular type of public good. Here, government does not maintain any rivalry with people, and they don't exclude anyone from these public goods. Market has its own power. So what is the market power? It arises when buyers or sellers are able to exert influence over the price of good or the quantity exchange. An extreme example of market control on the demand side exists when it has a monopsony. Monopsony is the market when there is single buyer and single seller. So that time he exert is nothing but when he is totally deriving the power of market. So sometimes due to this exertion, market get failed. Then there is externalities and spillover effect. Now what is the meaning of externalities or spillover effect? An externalities arises when a person engages in an activity that influences the well-being by bystander and yet neither pays nor receive any compensation for that effect. Externalities has two sides. The one is negative externalities and one is positive externalities. Now let us see what is the meaning of negative externalities. If the impact of the bystander is adverse, is called as negative externalities. Let's have an example. In case of industries, they usually release industrial effluents in the river water. In the river, there is marine or aquatic life. The entire aquatic life is actually getting affected because of the water which is being released by those industries, called as negative externalities, because industries are making production, they are producing goods for us. So here the third party are aquatic life, which is called negative externality. Positive externality, it leads to produce a smaller quantity than is socially desirable. Now suppose this video is being accepted or liked by many more non-SSTN students, which will be positive externality. Asymmetric information. Asymmetric information also plays a very crucial role in market failure. It is a market situation in which one party in a transaction has more information than the other party. In the market, you will never find people are with the complete information or symmetrical information. Either information will be asymmetrical or it will be a incomplete. Then there is a missing market and incomplete market. So what is the meaning of missing market? It is a situation where resource allocation based on a competitive market does not exist, like an oligopoly market. Whenever private markets fail to provide a good or service, even through the cost of providing it is less than what individuals are willing to pay, they are considered as a incomplete market. What is the meaning of merit goods? Merit goods are those goods which government feels that people left to themselves will under consume and which therefore ought to be subsidized or provided free at the point of use. And in our nation, government providing various merit goods. In that case government does not make any accountability whether they have paid taxes to the government or not. What is the meaning of unstable market? Sometimes market is unstable, like agricultural market, foreign exchange market, currency market. You will always find that there is uncertainty in these market. Agriculture is based on rainy season. Foreign exchange is totally depends on the international trade relations. Credit market depends on how much there is a volatility of money in the market, which creates or fails to generate or to lose markets. Then we have demerit goods. Demerit goods are those goods which are fail to control the manufacturer and sale of goods which have less merit than the consumer perceive. Example, cigarettes, alcohol. As we know it very well, these goods never helpful to make our health more stronger, but still people are perceiving, called as demerit goods. So I hope you understood the concept of market failure. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much.